Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday. It is our, what is it? Oh, it's date night, and it's also car and purse day. So we're going to start off with our 3-layer cake. First layer, our 5 routines. First routine, morning routine for ourselves and our children. Second routine, laundry. Third routine, paper. Fourth routine, after dinner routine. Fifth routine, before bed. So if you're an at-home fly baby, morning routine, laundry and paper, after dinner, before bed. If you're a payroll fly baby, morning routine, go to work. After work, it's laundry, paper, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Okay, then we're going to jump right into zone 3. Zone 3 is the bathroom and one other room, so you have only one thing left to do if you are working in the zone at the deep cleaning. If you're still decluttering, then you're going to declutter for 15 minutes and then complete the process by throwing away the trash, putting away the things that you have gleaned out of your clutter, and giving away or putting in the trunk to give away the things that you've elected not to keep any longer and get out of your cluttery room. Okay, all right, next we're gonna, after we've done that, we're gonna go right into the basic weekly plan. Today is simply car and purse day. It's very simple. If you're doing it every single week, it won't take you very long to go into your car and shake the mats, get out anything that's loose that you didn't intend to have in there. Maybe the kids left some things, maybe there's some cracker crumbs. Get it all out and empty your purse and put the things back in the way you want them. Get rid of any trash and kind of reorganize and rethink what's in your purse. Maybe change purses, maybe wipe your purse down. On that car, if you've got kids and a constant mess, remember, I want you to remember that when you turn off the ignition, that's your reminder. That's going to trigger you to say, what did we bring into the car? Let's get it out. Never think you're too busy. You're not. It only takes a couple of minutes and it'll make the world of difference in traveling in a nice clean car. Okay, it's also date night. So after you do your after dinner routine, you're going to get ready for your date. Or you're going to have somebody else do the after dinner routine because they're feeding your children. Your children know the after dinner routine, so they can help that person. And then before bed routine. But you're going to go out and have a nice date, or have a nice date with your husband that does not involve your children. It's just about the two of you. And then that's it. So if you're working, you can do the car and purse on your lunch hour. And when you get home, you're going to start your laundry, you're going to go through your paper, you're going to inspect what you expect. Maybe you delegated part of that weekly home blessing hour. Let's make sure it happened. And then you're going to go right into your zone and work for 15 minutes decluttering, or 10 minutes or less doing that one thing you picked in that room. I hope that's where you are. That's the easiest and most rewarding part of this system. And then you're going to go get ready or have dinner and go get ready. It's up to you for your date night. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Friday. I hope you really enjoy your date with your spouse. And I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.